So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Alibaba stock, ticker symbol BABA on Moomoo. So once you open up Moomoo, what I want you to do is to go to the top right and press on the magnifying glass icon. At the top, as I mentioned before, type in a ticker symbol BABA for Alibaba, then press on that. Then go to the bottom left and press on trade, and then press on the green buy button. Once that is done, you can adjust the session type, the order type, the price if it's a limit order, as well as the quantity or the amount of stock you're wanting to buy. Once that is all done, you can press on the green buy button and then proceed that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Alibaba stock, ticker symbol BABA on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.